When checking back in the Logitech group video conference set, we need to check that there's no damage to the case. Open up the latches, and inside we need to check we've got all the components. So the first thing to double check that we have is the micro USB lead with our markings and Velcro tie. The power adapter, again with our markings and a Velcro tie. The Logitech unit itself, so we need to check all around this for damage. And then we need to make sure we have the remote/lens cover, which is magnet fitted on. Make sure there's no obvious damage to that, and importantly, no damage to the lens. Once we've checked all this, and we're happy that the checklist is also present in the top of the lid, the customer can go. The only thing to do with this, we need to plug it in to charge it to make sure it's 100% charged. This is indicated by the battery level lights on the top. Once it's fully charged, everything can be popped away and it's ready for the shelf.